Hello, and thanks for joining us for our daily market coverage. Here are today's financial news presented by Forex, your reliable partner in trading.
Intel stock surged 8.6% on Tuesday to $43.47 after reports that Apple may tap Intel to supply chips starting in 2027, boosting investor confidence in its foundry business. On Tuesday, the Dow Jones rose 0.4%, the S&P 500 gained 0.3%, and the Nasdaq Composite climbed 0.6%, as a rebound in Bitcoin helped lift sentiment. Brent crude oil futures hovered around $62 per barrel on Wednesday, holding losses from the previous session, as traders assessed the implications of US-Russia diplomatic talks. The euro remained above $1.16, its strongest level since mid-November, as investors assessed a mix of economic data and their implications for interest rate expectations. Bitcoin's sharp rally past $93,000 is fueled by optimism that the Federal Reserve will end quantitative tightening and move toward rate cuts, which boosts demand for risk assets. Now let's take a look at today's key economic events. At 2:15 p.m., the U.S. will publish industrial production data for September, after a modest 0.1% increase in August. At 3 p.m., we'll get the latest services PMI for November, following October's reading of 52.4. Looking ahead to tomorrow's highlights. At 12 p.m., Brazil will release third-quarter GDP figures, after posting 0.4% growth in the second quarter of 2025. And at 3 p.m., Canada's services PMI is expected to ease, after reaching 52.4 in October.
And that's it for today's Market News Roundup, presented by Forex. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow for more financial news.